so windy outside right now, and they're trying to get the easy up. It went flying to the second floor up here, and literally it looked like it was gonna hit our window. So now they're trying to get it.
When it comes to beach parties, I'm usually on my A game. Steel drums.
Good morning, guys. Oh, I look horrible. Excuse the way I look. It is Tuesday. No, Monday. It's Monday. I'm supposed to work today. It's windy as hell. And serving outside in the wind does not sound fun to me. Santa Ana's. So hopefully my job calls and says I don't have to work today. We'll see what happens. If they do, then I think I'm gonna make taco soup, because today would be like a perfect day for it. You know, I'm back on keto, and that keto taco soup sounds so good. So we'll see what happens today. Talk to you guys later. Alright, doesn't look like I'm going to work today, so I'm going to make some dinner, make my husband tacos, and I'm going to make me taco soup, a keto taco soup that I saw on Pinterest. Sorry. So I guess I will film that for you guys right now, and we can do this together. Okay, let's make this. We're going to have the taco soup. So I'm going to use the Italian seasoned ground turkey, some beef broth, rotel tomatoes, some garlic, cream cheese, a bell pepper. I was going to use onions, but my onions are bad, and that's cilantro. So we're going to go ahead and get this cooking.
I don't know anything about that. Why don't you inform me? Do you know they explode out in the culture? Yeah, it's a wine opener. That's like 6 inches long. We looked. Did you read this in your group text? No, Amy Googled it. We saw the duck being shooted out. It was like a little duck. She's not explicit, man. They're special. This simple, simple goodness is amazing. Meaty morsels. A tender
some garlic.
Then why would you just say taco soup? I don't know what taco soup is.
Taco soup?
Taco soup!
Find it back.
I gotta add some extra seasoning for me. I'm gonna add some flour seasoning, salt, and black pepper to my veggies that are cooking, and then I'm gonna start browning the ground turkey. Start browning the ground turkey. Okay, we got 2 things of ground beef. I'm gonna put a whole thing of cream cheese in there. If I can drop it in and hold the camera at the same time. I'm gonna let that melt down. Now I'm gonna add in the beef broth. Junior, can you please go away? Like seriously, go away.
Michael, go away. Go to your own.
Oscar, can you tell them to go away? And then we're gonna add in the Rotel tomatoes.
It's just right, and it's 12 Celsius. Anything over 5, you repeat. Gets the right amount. How much space for all the
Now we're gonna let that cook. Man, it smells so bomb. Oh, cannot wait until it's done and I can eat. Now let's add some cilantro into the pot. Alright guys, let's top this. I'm gonna top my soup with some cheese, sour cream, red pepper flakes, cilantro, and avocado.
I don't think I could be with somebody that keeps doing the same thing over and over again. Like, that's the definition of insanity. Coming up, we're hungry. Okay, cross.
What? Does it have water on it? In it?
It's soup. What are you talking about water in it?
Cause the oil is flowing.
Because it has fat in it.
Oh. Sorry, my ding ding is not working.
I could tell.
Why did I ask that?
That's my avocado. That's my guacamole. And there you go.
That's called taco soup.
It's delicious.
Mama, can you make some cookies?
Guys, this taco soup is so freaking bomb. It is so delicious.
Ew.
Baby, it's so good, baby. You gotta try it, mama.
I'm making this rice with the stick stuff.
So good. Guys, is gonna try. Did you just take a whole hunk of? You gotta get some meat.
But you feel like this.
How's it?
Good.
It is so good. Excuse me. This is my dinner. I'll make you a bowl. You want a bowl?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, let's make some keto dessert. I'm going to take some frozen strawberries. Well, berries, frozen berries. Some sugar-free Cool Whip. And I like to use 1 Splenda.
Don't take the bottom if you're allergic to any of the ingredients. Or if you take the bottom, have a
1 Splenda. Combine some fruit in a bowl. Sometimes you gotta dig for some of the stuff you want out of there. And I can tell my kids have been in here because there's like literally no strawberries left. So that's great. It's okay. We like berries. So I got my berries. I'm going to add some Splenda to it. And then give it a quick microwave just to soften it up some. So I'm going to do that really quick. Okay, I microwaved it to give it a quick little soften up on what, baby? So that way I can chop some of the strawberries up a little bit in here.
Parkway and Jamboree Road. Another important headline: all Irvine Unified School District schools will be closed tomorrow due to the fire.
And just as mentioned, 2 firefighters were injured, critically battling those flames. We begin with team coverage. Phil Schumann and more on those.
Now I'm gonna add some Cool Whip to that and stir it in.
2 young men fighting to their lives in the specialized burn unit of the Orange County Global Medical Center here in Santa Ana, about 15 minutes up the freeway from that fire in Irvine. Let's show you some video. This is
Oh, my Cool Whip's frozen.
Okay.
I'll put the Cool Whip on and let it get soft for a minute. And we'll get back to it. Okay, I put the Cool Whip in and it's softened up, so I'm gonna mix it up. Not talking to you, honey. Talking to my people.
But I must tell you, the people we talk to, people have not seemed overly concerned. They're staying put. Many neighborhoods today.
Yeah, okay. Bullshit.
Are
Bull
you scared?
spit.
It's right there. It's really close, but we talked to firefighters. We know what they're
I need a
doing.
pretty glass to put it in.
2008, led all the way up to the structure, and they saved the house. So we're hoping that'll happen again. So right now, we know that we're dealing with 2 major stand-in wind events.
No, I don't want that glass. Oh, my martini glass.
Like 241, and then we have this one. Don't have any idea of what started the fire or how many homes have been destroyed on this fire yet. What firefighters can do right now is what we call bump and run.
Gotta put it in a pretty glass so you can feel more fancy.
Start evacuating people and protecting homes like you just saw here.
Very tough duty for those fire crews. You just heard that.
I'm gonna let it chill out in the refrigerator for a minute.
As you look over my shoulder, you can see a spot fire burning right now. This is happening throughout this neighborhood. I should point out it's a lovely neighborhood.
At the end.
The trees.
Alright, out of the refrigerator. Looks so pretty, look at that.
Homes evacuated, 500 firefighters.
Okay, we're gonna top it with some
Pretty nicely right now.
whipped cream.
There have been 2 firefighters that have been injured earlier today, and you see the intensity of the flames, and that is what the firefighters are concerned about.
A little bit of nuts.
Just about 12 hours ago, just before 7 a.m. this morning.
There is some good news today. The Dodgers are 1 win away from winning the World Series.
It's so good everywhere here in Los Angeles. We're about to dance. One race
And there is a delicious keto dessert, berries and cream.
StubHub says